Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is October 27, 2025. This video is on a JAMA Internal Medicine research letter published on September 29, 2025, titled Using Prevent Equations to Guide Aspirin Use for Primary Prevention of Cardiovascular Disease. The U.S. Preventative Task Force recommends considering aspirin for adults between the age of 48 to 59 with those with greater than 10% 10-year atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease risk based on the Pooled Cohort Equations and with the low bleeding risk. The Prevent equations published in 2024 offer a better calibrated risk estimates versus the Pooled Cohort Equation. No prior analysis assessed how Prevent affects aspirin eligibility. So the study authors looked at the enhanced database between 2015 to 2020. Adults aged 40 to 59 without atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease or major bleeding risk were enrolled. The eligibility cutoff was greater than 10% 10-year atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease risk using both Pooled Cohort equation and Prevent equation. They used the R version of statistical tools. What did they find? 8.3%, 4.9 million were eligible for aspirin by the Pooled Cohort equation, versus 1.2, 700,000 by the Prevent equation. 85.9% of the Pooled Cohort eligible adults were not eligible by Prevent. 96.9% of current aspirin users did not qualify by Prevent. Limitations of the study: self-reported aspirin data predates 2022 USPSTF updates. Key takeaways: the Prevent model drastically reduces eligibility for aspirin. The 10% threshold from the Pooled Cohort equation may not apply to Prevent. Deprescribing opportunities exist in current practice. Clinical pearls: risk calculated choice significantly affects therapeutic decisions. Prevent is more conservative than the Pooled Cohort equation in defining aspirin benefit. Many adults are on aspirin without meeting eligibility by modern models. Deprescribing may improve safety and align with evidence-based practice. The need for Prevent specific risk thresholds based on benefit modeling. Just to put it in context, the Prevent equations were endorsed by the AHA in 2024 for atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease risk. The Pooled Cohort equation is the older ACC-AHA model used in USPSTF, and the USPSTF recommends aspirin but was published in 2022. The NIH database is a source of nationally representative population data. This is in a nutshell regarding deprescribing aspirin in those who don't meet the new Prevent equations model. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.